Okay, guys, gals, this is Survival LT. Survival LT. Today, I'm going to take this EDC everyday carrying case, and I'm going to turn it into a little extra multi survival kit. We're going to put a first aid kit in here, and maybe some fishing line. Hopefully, I can get everything in this thing that needs to go in here. Okay. Don't need all this aluminum foil. I got some aluminum foil here, which I don't need all that for real. Thought I had a pair of scissors. Scissors. Okay, I'll just take some of it and cut it in half, or tear it, trying to tear it even here. Okay. So a big piece I need right there. You can also use this to single with. Use it for the single device. You can also use it to make char cloth with. And you can also boil water with it. Make it as a cup and you can boil water in it. You know, to drink. Just fold it up kind of. Okay, and lay it flat. There we go. And I got some matches, some cotton, and some alcohol pads. And with that, I got some band-aids here. My big band-aid. Some little band-aids here. Right here. Okay. Stick this right here. Get the air out of this bag with the cotton ball or the got some paper towel, go in there. Glow stick. Now, wait a minute. We don't want all that in there. Okay. And on the other side of this kit, the saw gets back in here. The padding with the multi-tool here. The multi-tool goes over on this side. With the compass, the multi-tool, and my whistle so I can be found, and my fire starter. Okay. Smash this all down. All right. That did work out like I thought it would. That worked out really cool. So get this. I'm just gonna put some string on it with a carabiner, and which just pops off. It just pulls apart. So I think that's pretty cool. And with a key ring, I'm gonna put this back in here on the string. Then I have me some paracord, whatever, on this little kit. And this is just another way that you can make your small kits pretty cool and interesting. Because technically that's all you need right there. And put this right here. I'm gonna stick that on one of these holes in this on this kit. And there you go. You got yourself a little kit. Oh. Came off. Hold on. Okay. 1 second. Yo. I'm gonna try to hook this up on my pants belt, my pant loop here. And just to show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is. So light, you can put in your back pocket. Turn you around there for a minute. So you got your back pocket. And so light, it's all you really need. Let's get this off here now. Just click back. There we go. Yep, like I said, it's pretty light. Pretty light. Get you all up here so you can see me. It's a pretty light case. You put in your back pocket. Walk down with it. It's an EDC, everyday carrying. So now it's a first aid kit. And with all your multi-tools and stuff. I even like put that strap on there. So. And if you ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. That's all I got. God bless. Have a good day. And I'll get back with you on the next video. Thank you and God bless.